Hello, this is Arvind here, founder and CEO of Gitmoxi. Today we will talk about how Gitmoxi makes it really easy to troubleshoot failed deployments. When your application gets deployed, it is dependent on very many other things. For example, the resources, compute memory, disk, network, and other crucial attributes like security group, load balancers, IAM, log groups, configuration, secrets, and many other things. And each one of these dependencies can cause the deployment to fail. Since Gitmoxi is a deployment controller, it monitors the deployment throughout its lifecycle. It comprehensively gathers all the details of why a deployment is failing. Let's take a look at few examples, starting with some simple ones. In this case, the deployment is failing because you are using a target group which is not associated to any load balancer. This could be a very simple case of an outdated configuration. This is also another illustration. You're trying to deploy in a cluster which has been deleted or doesn't exist. Another outdated configuration. Now let's take a look at a little bit more involved error. Here the task itself is failing. So there is some problem in the application, it's exiting and it's failing. And this is a verbose task log, so you can grab it and you can use ChatGPT to get a quick summary of what is going on. By the way, we do have integration directly with ChatGPT, so you can just use a single button and get the analysis. Just for illustration, we copy and paste here, and you can see that the failure is because essential container is exiting. Since you have the right context, you are able to use the GenAI tools effectively and easily to troubleshoot the problem, right? The context is very crucial for leveraging GenAI tools. Here's another example of a failure which is a bit more involved. This is happening because the log group itself does not exist. So in this case, we are using the CloudWatch log group, but the log group does not exist. Maybe it was deleted or rotated and it does not exist. Same thing, you can plop it here to ChatGPT and it will give you the quick root cause of why this is happening. And it is because of the non-existent CloudWatch log groups. There are even some more arcane errors that can happen, a bit more rare, but they happen. For example, in this case, it is two different processes which are updating the same service at the same time. So it hits the idempotency error with respect to the service update. Bottom line, no matter what kind of errors you are encountering, Gitmoxi as a deployment controller will grab as many details as needed, which provides a very rich context that allows you to use tools like ChatGPT and make your deployment really easy and very, very effortless to troubleshoot. Hope you will give it a try and let's engage on Gitmoxi. Thank you.